Okay, now all of you be focused. Today we'll start exercise 5A. First question that is given, write each of the following fractions in the numerals. Write each of the following fractions in numerals. So how we will write down 3 out of 5 in fraction? We can write down like this, 3 out of 5. Suppose you got na sometime like your class test abhi hua hai, sorry, periodic test hua hai, out of how many? 30 marks. So suppose if you got like 15 marks. Suppose if you got 15 marks out of how many? 30. So how will I write down? 15 upon 30 like this way. Yes or no? So आपको इस तरीके से लिखना है. If your question says 3 out of, okay, 3 out of is given, out of, not out. Out of 5 is equals to 3 upon 5. That is your complete answer. Okay. Now next question, let's see here. 1 quarter is there. Next. 1 quarter. Now anyone know what is the meaning of 1 quarter? 1 quarter, very simple. 1 quarter means 1/4. We are sometimes saying like 1/4. 1/4 means 1 quarter. Okay, out of this one part, we can say out of this 4 part, 1 part is there. Suppose if I make one circle like this, one pizza, and if I cut this pizza like this way, चलो pizza के ऊपर थोड़ा पनीर भी डाल देते हैं. Okay, now if I cut this pizza like this 4 equal part, and if I represent only, if I say I will give one part of pizza to Ritika, then if I say like this, so this is known as, this portion is known as 1/4. This portion is known as 1/4, yeah, we can say 1 quarter. Understood all of you? Very simple. Now next question, third part. Next, 5/7. 5/7. So 5/7 means how will I write down? 5 upon 7. That only. है ना? This is very important, not 7. 7th. TH. Last में TH आता है. Okay. Now we'll take next question. Fourth part. That is 3/8. 3/8. So we can say 3 upon 8. So like this way you have to represent all the remaining questions. Very simple question. This remaining question you have to solve yourself. Okay, understood all of you? Yes or no? Very good. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Okay. Now in this question number 2 that is given, write each of the following, write each of the following divisions as fraction. Okay, write each of the following division as a fraction. That means in front of you some division is there, that you have to write down in the form of fraction. Then how will write down? See here, very simple question. So question number 2, first part, that is 6 upon 11. 6 divided by 11. Actually this is division, and we can write down division as a fraction also. How? Like this, 6 upon 11. Actually divide and upon both are same. This is known as 6 upon 11. Okay, we will use that word upon. Next, second part, 1 divided by 100. Okay, 1 divided by 100. 1 divided by 100 means 1 upon 100. Next part, let's see. This is 0 divided by 1. 0 upon 1. Fourth part, that is 9 divided by 4. And fifth part, 7 divided by 27. These two questions you have to solve now only in your notebook. Write down, very simple question. Write down fast. So I hope these two questions is not required for solving, because I know all of you retain in answer in chat box only. Now, if I talking about third question, all of you see in your book, third question. Actually, in third question, what have to do? match the following. Actually 3 column is there, or column A, column B and column C. Same question, just same question. 4/5 how we will write down in fraction, and how we will write down in diagram, how will show, how will represent in diagram. So these questions are very simple. So आपको क्या करना है, मैच करना है only. Option question number 1 with A option, with B option, किस कौन सा ऑप्शन होगा उसका. That is very simple. This question, this is your complete homework. ये पूरा टेबल आपको नोटबुक में अच्छे से बनाना है, and tomorrow I will check one by one. Okay, in your live class only. ठीक है, अच्छे से इसको नोटबुक में करना है. Understood all of you? Yes. Okay. Now we'll move next question. Question number 4. And this question number 4 is very, very important question. Some questions are easy, but like some questions are also not difficult, medium level. So try to understand. In this first question, that is given, write a fraction as indicated, Okay, so first part, that is numerator, how many? That is 5, and denominator how many? 13. Okay, very, very simple question, very, very. We can say, students try to understand, just wait. Okay. Now see here all of you, actually in this question says you have to write down in terms of fraction. Now obviously fraction में क्या होता है, fraction में in upper side numerator and in downside denominator. So if I write down numerator directly given 5 and in denominator 13, the answer will be complete. That much only. But इस तरीके से सारे क्वेश्चन नहीं आने वाला है. Some question will be like in directly नहीं आ पाएगा, आपका थोड़ा indirectly उसको find करना पड़ेगा. Let's see how. Okay. Question number 2 part. Now in this question says numerator is, try to understand this very important question. Numerator is HCF of 5 and 7. Okay, numerator is, sorry, 4 and 6. 4 and 6. And denominator is equals to how many? LCM of 5 and 7. Now what you have to do? First of all, think all of you, what is the HCF of 4 and 6? सबसे आपको ये पता होना चाहिए, what is the HCF of 4 and 6? Anyone know? What is the HCF of 4 and 6? Yes, 2. Yes, the HCF of 4 and 6 is equals to 2. How will find out, all of you know ना? चलो मैं roughly बनाता हूँ. 4 is equals to, we can write down 2 multiply 2. Yes or no? And 6 is equals to, we can write down 2 multiply 3. Now what is the common number? 2 is the common number, and 2 is the highest common number. Okay, that's why we can say we will write down here 2, because ये आपका क्या हो गया, ये आपका numerator हो गया. Numerator is equals to 2. Now we will find out LCM. अब what is the LCM of 5 and 7? एक मैं ट्रिक बता रहा हूं आपको, याद रखना है इस ट्रिक को. Actually, when in front of you some like this type of number will come, both are prime numbers. So in that case, आपको क्या होता है, we will multiply them. When we will find out the LCM, then we will multiply them. Suppose here 5 also a prime number and 7 also a prime number. आपको LCM find करना है. So in that case, LCM is equals to, we can write down 5 multiply 7, and 5 multiply 7 is equals to how many? 35. Yes, we can say 5 multiply 7 is equals to 35. So the fraction will be 2 upon 35. This is your answer. बस यही तो आपका आंसर था. Okay, done. No issue. All of you. Okay. Okay. Now next question, that is third part. Actually, we are like jump one question. By chance, question number 2 के जगह हमने question number 3 कर लिया है ना? That only you are thinking. Okay, now question number 2 that you have to solve yourself. Okay, question number 2 that you have to solve yourself. That Sanjeev also saying that only. No issue. Now we'll do question number 4th part. Okay. Now question of 4th part, that is denominator. Denominator is equals to, we can say 3 minus 2, and numerator that is given minus 5 plus 21. See all of you, actually here direct answer is not given. यहाँ पे आपका direct answer नहीं दे रखा है. This is denominator and this is like numerator. Indirectly says. अब what is, we know already. हमें सबको ही पता होगा how to find out. See, first of all, what I have to do, check it properly. First of all, write down 3. ठीक है? First of all, write down 3 as it is, and minus plus 2, and 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. 3 plus 2 is equals to how many? 5. And here if I solve like minus 5 plus 21, then minus, bigger number minus smaller number. So 21 minus 5, 16, and before bigger number which sign? Plus sign. So that's why your answer will be plus का 16. So answer will be fraction is equals to, we can say numerator upon denominator. आप लोग जल्दीबाजी में क्या लिखोगे? 5 upon 16, but this is not correct answer. The answer will be 16 upon 5. Okay, 16 is the numerator. Numerator always come in upper side, and denominator में आपको क्या लिखना है? 5. That is your complete answer. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. This is last question. Numerator is equals to your age now. Your age now. And denominator is equals to your age after 30 years. Done? Okay? Okay. Now, actually you are thinking, sir, my age. Take your age. जो भी आपका age है ना वो ले लो. No issue. And if you don't know your age, then you just consider like this. Your age is X years. हम इस तरीके से कंसीडर करते हैं. सपोज किसी का एज नहीं पता होता तो हम कंसीडर कर लेते हैं x. योर एज इज x, a, b, c, एनी वेरिएबल. एक्चुअली जब भी हमें कंसीडर करना होता है देन वी विल कंसीडर एज अ वेरिएबल. सो योर एज इज इक्वल्स टू x. आप x के जगह अपना एज भी लिख सकते हो. नाउ योर एज आफ्टर लाइक 30 इयर्स क्या होगा? सपोज योर एज इज वी कैन से कितना एज है? 6 plus 11 12 जो भी है 11 12 आई थिंक. So 12 plus 30 is equals to 42. But we will write down here as I consider x, तो हम लिखेंगे x plus 30. Now this is your numerator and this is your denominator. So we'll write down fraction like this way. Fraction is equals to x upon x plus 30. That is the correct answer. Okay, x upon x plus 30. That is your 100% complete answer. Understood all of you? Very simple. Actually, I know first of all how will write down this shaded region. How will represent? You are saying, sir, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 part is there, and out of this 6 part, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll represent 4 upon 6. This is the answer, not answer. This is a shaded region. Now we have to write down equivalent fraction of this fraction. How? You can multiply by any non-zero number. कैसे? If you want to write down first, then 4 upon 6 you have to multiply by 2. Not only multiplication, you can do divide also. आप divide भी कर सकते हो. Suppose if you multiply only 4 2 is 8 and 6 2 is 12. So 8 upon 12. 8 upon 12 is the first equivalent fraction. Now if you want to write down, suppose if you want to do divide only, तो divide भी कर सकते हो. 4 upon 6 divided by 2. And here also divided by 2. 4 upon 2, 2. 6 upon 2, 3. So the answer will be 8 upon 12 and 2 upon 3. That is the equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction हम कैसे निकालते हैं? You have to multiply any non-zero number or you have to divide it by any non-zero number. But वो जो non-zero number होता है ना, वो numerator and denominator वो same number होना चाहिए. Okay, that is your complete answer. I think all of you understood. Yes or no? Okay, very good. So this is your next question. Oh, another question, last question. Okay, for today's class. Now, next question. One circle is there. Like this. Okay. Then now all of you see here how many part is there? 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, after that 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 part is there. So how we write down? We can write down like this: 7 upon. Just wait one time, because here diagram is not proper making. Here from here I am telling you. How many parts? Check in your book one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 part. चलो मैं यहाँ पे भी एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा मुझे. This is not shown properly, na, that's why some problem came. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 part is there. And out of this 8 part, 1, 2, 3, 4 part are shaded. So we can write down like this: 4 upon 8. Okay, we can write down 4 upon 8. Okay, very good. Now 4 upon 8, how will represent? How will write down the equivalent fraction? We can write down first equivalent fraction 4 upon 8 multiply by 2. That means 8 upon 16. And second equivalent fraction we can write down 4 upon 8 divided by 2. Divided by 2. So we can say 4 divided by 2, 2. 8 divided by 2, 2, 4. So the answer will be 2 upon 4 and here 8 upon 16. That is the equivalent fraction. Okay, all of you understood? Very easy thing. Yes or no? Very good. Yes.